Hi everyone, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Thanks very much for joining us. Today we're having a look at Samsung Galaxy A3 2016 model, and today we're going to be doing our sound and vision test on this great device. A massive thank you to Vodafone for sending it to me. So first of all, let me just give you a little bit of information about the phone. It's a 4.7-inch display, which is 720 by 1080 in resolution, and it's a Super AMOLED panel from Samsung. So enough said about that. Let's jump into the Google Play Store. So the Google Play Store looks a little bit different here, as I've enlarged the text just so I know what I'm reading out to you all. So in the movie section here, first of all, I'm going to play you a movie. I'm going to play Kung Fu Panda. So then this video can be watched by all.
So now's a good time? Oh, you must take the next step on your journey from warrior to teacher. But I'm no good at it. Oh no, it's the dragon teacher! So handsome! You're terrible at it. Who are you? I'm looking for my son. Dad? How do we know he's even related to you? Look at that! Come with me. There's a secret panda village in the mountains. Welcome home, son. You all look like me. Oh, he's adorable. I'm good. Kai has returned.
Kai attacked the valley. It's all gone. Now he's coming for the pandas. You must teach them to fight.
I am ready. I'm gonna turn you into Kung Fu masters. Hi! Nobody said this was gonna be easy.
You must be the Dragon Warrior.
How about you spare me the chit-chat?
I'm going to take your
Chit-chat.
in the
Chitty-chitty-chat-chat. Chat-chat-chat.
in the
Chit-chat.
So that was Kung Fu Panda 3 that's available here on the Google Play Store, the iOS iTunes Store as well, and many other places. So go and check that out. Also on Blu-ray and DVD. Well, I think it's for pre-order at the moment. Well, I'm not too sure if it's out. But a really great film. Go and check it out. I went and saw it quite a while ago now. But moving on to music next. So let me just flip this back around. So going into our music section here. Just before we do that, what I wanted to do is actually just tilt the phone up here. Along here, this is your speaker grill. So it sounds really good with the Samsung. It's not on the back, which is really good. It's not as good as that Vodafone Platinum 7 where they were on the front there. Did really enjoy that phone. Go and check out our latest videos on the Vodafone Platinum 7 and the Ultra 7 as well. So in the music section here, first of all, we're going to jump into the 100% Clubland, which I love. All you guys know that now. So what I'm going to do is actually turn the music down to start off with, and we'll turn it up as them tunes get cracking out. So we'll start with this one. So through that you get loads of bass, loads of treble. It sounds really good as well through that speaker there from Samsung. Let's listen to some more. So just to finish off, I want to jump into YouTube and just show you some royalty-free music, which is a bit more poppy and a little bit more different compared to that Clubland there. Just one other key thing I want to point down here as well is your 3.5 jack is available here, so you can listen through headphones if you so wish. You're going to get a better personal audio sound through your headphones, but that speaker grill there is sounding very good for the Samsung Galaxy A3 2016 model there. So that was our sound and vision test on this great phone. Let me know what you think. I think that Super AMOLED panel looks really good, that Kung Fu Panda trailer. Listening back to music, it seems to handle that hard clubland music, which I love and enjoy. Some speakers sound a little bit trapped or are missing some bass, but this one seems to work really well. Let me know what you think down below. Drop us a like on the video as it always helps. Subscribe for the latest videos as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.